Okay, yes, I got the Focus back. I don't have the minivan anymore. In case you're wondering, the Sienna gave me about 23 miles per gallon if I was driving it normally. The whole time I had the car, I got about 20 with it because I did, my little performance tests. The My Ford Touch is pretty much back to normal. The Bluetooth is still doing what it was doing. It will not pair automatically to the car anymore. I don't know if it's too windy, so let me go inside the car and tell you the rest of the story. Okay, so the My Ford Touch is fine except for the Bluetooth automatic pairing thing. But at this point, I can live with that. All you have to do is tell the phone to pair to sync and it's fine. But the other thing that's of concern is the door panel rattle. My service advisor wasn't there, it was just the cashier woman, but I read my little thing here and it says, Verify concern, found several door panel clips broken and or missing. Ordered the clips, that's why I had to wait for it. So I'm thinking the dealer broke the car the last time I brought it in and never bothered to fix it properly, because I've brought it in before to have that door panel looked at. So anyway, that's fixed. I got the car back. That's kind of all I wanted to say for now. And I will keep you guys posted and look around for updates, and that's about it. Thanks guys, I'll catch you later.